Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today we have come up with another interesting topic. What is Snowflake? Imagine you work for a company that sells clothing online. You need to analyze customer data, such as their purchase history, demographics, and behavior on your website, to make better business decisions. This is where Snowflake comes in. Using Snowflake, you can store and analyze your data in one central location, making it easier to access and manage. You can also use Snowflake to perform complex analytics to gain insights about your customers and make data-driven decisions about growing your business. For example, you could use Snowflake to analyze customer behavior on your website and identify patterns in their purchasing habits. You might discover that customers who spend more time browsing your website are more likely to purchase or buy certain types of clothing, and are more likely to return and make additional purchases. With this information, you could optimize your website to attract more customers, or create targeted marketing campaigns to promote the types of clothing that are most likely to result in repeat purchases. Before we learn about Snowflake in depth, let us look at the agenda for this video. In this video, we will learn: what is Snowflake? Why should you choose Snowflake to handle your data? Snowflake architecture. Features of Snowflake. Career in Snowflake. So by the end of this video, you will get an idea of what Snowflake is. But before we proceed, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Snowflake? Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing platform that has become increasingly popular recently. It allows organizations to store, manage, and analyze large amounts of data in a highly scalable and efficient way, and helps them make crucial business decisions. Though there are several data warehousing platforms in the market, why choose Snowflake to handle your data? There are several reasons why companies might choose Snowflake to handle their data. Some of them are: scalability. Snowflake's architecture is designed to handle massive amounts of data and is highly scalable. It can seamlessly scale up or down based on your data storage and processing needs. Performance. Snowflake's cloud-native architecture allows it to process data quickly and efficiently. It uses a unique multi-cluster architecture to ensure that queries run quickly and smoothly, even with large amounts of data. Cost-effective. Snowflake's pay-per-use pricing model means you only pay for the storage and processing power you use, with no upfront costs. This can make it a more cost-effective solution for many businesses, particularly those that experience fluctuations in their data processing needs. Security. Snowflake takes security seriously, with a range of features designed to protect your data, including encryption at rest and in transit, role-based access controls, and continuous monitoring. Ease of use. Snowflake is known for its ease of use, with a user-friendly interface and SQL-based querying capabilities that make it easy to work with your data. It also integrates with various BI and analytics tools, making it a popular choice for data-driven organizations. Overall, Snowflake is a powerful and versatile data warehousing solution that can handle large amounts of data, process it quickly and efficiently, and do so in a cost-effective and secure manner. Now let us understand the architecture of Snowflake. Snowflake architecture. Snowflake uses a unique multi-cluster architecture that separates compute resources into separate clusters. Each cluster can be independently scaled up or down based on your needs, allowing for more efficient resource usage and improved query performance. Snowflake's virtual warehouses are user-defined compute clusters that can be created and destroyed on demand. This allows you to allocate resources as needed and only pay for what you use. Cloud storage. Snowflake stores all your data in cloud storage, such as AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage, rather than on a physical server. This allows for easy scalability and enables you to only pay for the storage you use. Compute services. Snowflake's compute layer runs on virtual machines in the cloud and is responsible for executing queries, loading and unloading data, and processing data transformations. The compute layer is completely separate from the storage layer, which allows for independent scaling of compute and storage resources. Cloud services. Snowflake includes a range of services that help manage and optimize the system, including a query optimizer, a metadata management service, and a security service. We have seen the architecture of Snowflake. Now let's go through the features of Snowflake. Features of Snowflake. Cloud-based. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehousing solution that runs entirely in the cloud and eliminates the need for hardware or software installation. Elasticity. Snowflake's architecture allows for elastic scaling, which means it can automatically scale resources up or down based on workload demands. Data sharing. Snowflake allows for secure and governed data sharing between organizations, departments, or teams without copying or moving data. Multi-cluster architecture. Snowflake's multi-cluster architecture enables workloads to be isolated and executed in parallel, allowing faster processing and improved performance. Separation of compute and storage. Snowflake separates compute and storage, which allows users to scale compute and storage independently, reducing costs and improving performance. Security. Snowflake offers advanced security features such as end-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication, and granular access controls to protect sensitive data. Snowflake's cloud-based architecture, elasticity, data sharing capabilities, multi-cluster architecture, separation of compute and storage, and advanced security features make it a popular choice for modern data warehousing and analytics. Now let us know about the careers in Snowflake. Career in Snowflake. The demand for Snowflake professionals is high, and the future scope for those interested in pursuing a career in this field is promising. With strong growth potential and competitive salaries, Snowflake offers exciting opportunities for anyone interested in working with data and cutting-edge cloud technology. The average salary for a Snowflake developer in India is around 4.5 lakh rupees to 11.5 lakh rupees per year. Other positions offer even higher salaries depending on experience and expertise. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative. Give us a thumbs up, and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. Follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and blogs. If you want to build a career in Snowflake and advance your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.